Hello everyone, and welcome back to Arts and Craft Kingdom. Today I will be showing you how to draw the amazing Spider-Man. Grab some paper and markers and let's get started. We will start off by choosing where to place our Spider-Man's face on the paper. When you're ready, grab your black marker and start drawing a curved line going from the left side, up, on top of the head, and back down on the right side. Keep going down on both sides down to the chin area and close the line in. To make sure they meet in the middle, use your finger to measure the exact half of the face. Don't worry, you don't have to be super precise. It's all about having fun. Now use our fingers to draw an imaginary cross inside our face. The vertical line is where our mouth will be, and the horizontal line is where our eyes will be. We will start by placing the nose right where these two lines meet, at the center of our face. When you're ready, grab your marker and draw two small dots, almost like two nostrils, in the center of the face. 1 and 2. Make sure they are not too close. Now, add another dot above the right dot, going in an oblique direction. Just like this. Now, do the same for the left side. Just like this. We should now have 4 small dots. We will now be connecting the right dots and the left dots. Connect the right dots into a curved line. Do the same for the left part. This would be the top part of our eyes. We will now complete the eye by adding a bottom line going horizontally on both sides. This will be a slightly shorter line. Just like this. Right and left. We can now connect the top corners with the bottom lines. Right I can already see our Spider-Man coming to life. Well done, guys! Time to decorate the mask. What I'm going to do now is draw outlines outside the shape of the eyes. You can simply follow the shape that you gave to your eye. Just like this. We'll do that on the right eye. And same thing for the left eye. We can now draw the lines back up to close them in by adding a nice pointy detail to the corner of the eyes. This way, our Spider-Man will have a very powerful look. Now it's time to color in with our black marker. Make sure it's nice and thick and there's no white spots. Good job, guys! Keep up with the good work! Now it's time to draw our spiderweb. As many of you may know, Spider-Man's mask is decorated with a spiderweb. We are going to draw the spiderweb together. You can use a ruler to help you, or you can always ask a trusted adult to support you with this. Don't worry, it's going to be fun and easy. We'll be drawing our first line down the middle of the face. Place the ruler in the middle of Spider-Man's forehead and draw a line down to the nose area. Don't draw it all the way down. Let's stop it right there. What we will do now is move our ruler down to the left into an oblique direction. Draw a line going down to the chin. Just like this. Repeat the same process for the right side. Well done! Now, let's repeat the same process by adding new lines going upwards on both sides. Make sure to keep some distance between these lines. Very well, we should now have a face that looks like this, with 7 longer lines going across the face. If you think it's needed, you can add some few details just like me. We have now completed the first line set of our spiderweb. Time to continue the web by adding layers of curved lines going around Spider-Man's face. To draw the first lines, you can use your pencil. This way, it will be much easier to correct any mistake. Don't worry, we will be going over these lines again with our black marker. I'll start by drawing the outside circle, connecting each line one by one, going in a circular motion. Let's now move on to the inner circle and the last round. Very well. Once you're ready, grab the marker and start going over the lines, just like I said before. We need to connect each line using a wavy motion, like wide U shapes, just like this. Simply repeat the same process over all the lines that we previously drew. Think of a real spider web. I'm sure you've seen at least one in your life. Once you're done with your first layer, let's move on to the inner layer, repeating the exact same process. And going more and more inwards towards the nose. Complete the last few details to tie all the lines together. That's it! It's now time to color in our Spider-Man. I will be using the original color red for the mask, but you guys can choose any color you prefer. Make sure to stain the lines. And make sure to not leave any white spot. Lovely work! Now you can grab your black marker and go over any detail or outline you may want to correct. Well done, guys! We now have drawn our cool Spider-Man. I hope you guys had fun, and remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Lee. This Batman might be one of the best I've ever seen. Great coloring and great detail. Well done, Lee. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. And that's all we have time for today. See you soon!